Hello, friends. I'm at the convention and starting the Women's March on Pennsylvania. How exciting is this? Lots of people, as is necessary for a march. Cool. English.
So it begins, the Women's March in Philly.
Yes.
There it is. There's the march we're looking for.
I like that! I like that sign! Right, Smith! Right! United! We'll never be divided!
Check it out. Even the dinosaurs are out today because of the drums thing. Paul and I are at the Liberty Bell.
Attention, an emergency has been reported in this building. While this is being verified, please stand by for further instructions. Do not enter the fire exit. Do not use the elevators.
So, don't do anything about the annoying voice that you can't escape from. That's what that says. I'm gonna open a bottle of champagne.
Attention, this is the hotel security department.
No alarm here. Haha. Perfect.
We're halfway there. Oh, living on a prayer.
We're at Eye Candy in Philly.
Hey.
You can't see a damn thing. How exciting, yay! We met Tim, who is fun and fabulous, and he's visiting Colorado soon. And his friend, RJ, who is really fun and nice. We're having a glorious time. We're having...
Yes.
Yeah! Magic! Hey, friends. Hey. Oh, it's closed. It's closed. ID required. This way, this way, this way. We're a mess. There we go. So we're having adventures trying to get into our own hotel. We went to a couple different bars this evening. How fun was that? Tell me.
How amazing. It was delicious.
And we're doing brunch tomorrow, brunch. So I think this is the end of the night. I hope you guys had a wonderful night, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Wink.